Hello everyone, welcome to the 10-minute program about Indonesia. I'm Wahyu who will be bringing the first news with the theme of the Indonesia economy. 2021 will be a tougher year than the previous year for the Indonesia economy. The government predicts that Indonesia economic growth in 2021 will only be 4%. This cannot be separated from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has resulted in the imposition of restriction on community activities in various regions. Even so, the economy minister said the Indonesia economy had improved, starting from the success of controlling the pandemic to the right economy, policy response from the fiscal and monetary side. A number of risks remain to be monitored by government so as not to be disrupt the momentum of future economic recovery, such as rising energy prices and inflation, disruption and normalization of monetary policy in developed countries. Okay, that's the current state of Indonesia economy. I'm Wahyu. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Astri. In 10 minutes program about Indonesia, the next is news about technology in Indonesia. Big Teach. In Indonesia may start paying news firms for content. The proposal comes after President Joko Widodo remarked that he would instruct his ministers to follow up regarding draft regulation that protect publisher rights. Indonesian media groups are pushing for a draft regulation to make news aggregator pay publisher for displaying content. A regulation meant to support the domestic news industry, source told the Jakarta Post that the new regulation was based on Australian news media bargaining code, the first law of its kind in the world, passed in February this year. The law required aggregators such as Google and Facebook to negotiate fees with publishers. The proposed regulation addressed the years-old complaint of publishers which have been losing advertising revenue to online aggregators that tech giants were benefiting from using news content in search results or other features without proper compensation. Indonesian Cyber Media Association or AMSI Chair Wensil Saus once mentioned on November 15 said the problem was exacerbate the fact that web traffic landed more frequently on low quality content like clickbait, hooks, and hate speech. The draft is the work of Media Association and the Press Council through a media sustainability task force. The proposed regulation also gives more responsibility to aggregator to fit online content. The proposal comes a few months after President Joko Widodo remarked on National Press Day on February 9. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Intan in the program 10 Minutes about Indonesia. The next news is education in Indonesia. The impact of the outbreak of the coronavirus has now been felt by the world of education. The Scientific and Cultural Education Organization said that nearly 300 million students worldwide were disrupted by their school activities or lectures due to the coronavirus. Indonesian President Joko Widodo strongly urged students to study from home during the pandemic. Learning activities carried out online have been filled for approximately 2 years. This policy is expected by the government to reduce student mobility so that it can suppress the spread of the coronavirus. By conducting online lectures, it makes a difference in the way the lectures are conducted with lectures before coronavirus. Many students complain because they are not used to doing online learning activities. Online learning activities are also more difficult than offline learning activities. Why is it like that? Because if you are offline, you will be more focused on participating in learning activities and understanding the material presented by lecturer or teacher. But at this time, we must continue to follow government policies so that school and campus can be opened and can carry out face-to-face learning activities directly. And I'm Intan, say goodbye and thank you.
Hello, I'm Cynthia in a 10-minute program about Indonesia. The next news is the uniqueness of Indonesia culture, making living humans become corpse overnight. Living humans are put into suspended animation overnight at the Calnarang performance. This corpse is often referred to as Bangke Mata, which is one of the secret part in the staging of Calnarang. Calnarang is about that from black magic, then countered with religious teaching and state to honor Lord Shiva, who served as talker of life of man. With his life Durgan human nurturing the mystical world of fans. On January 7, 2022, Calnarang will be staged at the Dalam Penunggakan Temple, Bangli, Bali. A local community named Gongaji volunteered as a corpse in the art performance. The show runs from January 17th at 10 p.m. to January 18th at 3 a.m. Gongaji was put into suspended animation when the main event started at 11:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. After the main event is complete, the corpse will be revived as before. Calnarang is one of the sacred parts that is very popular with local audience and tourists, and is unique culture in Indonesia. We must preserve the culture uniqueness as the culture treasure in Indonesia. I'm Cynthia Risan and see you.
Hello, I am Eka Lestari in a program 10 minutes about Indonesia. Moving on from the previous issue related to one of the culture in Indonesia, the next new discuss about healthy issue hot in Indonesia. During the current of pandemic, of course, issue related to health are not far from the coronavirus. Late last year, the Minister of Health, Budi Gunadi Sadikin, announced the finding of the first case of the Omicron variant of COVID-19 in Indonesia. This variant is considered the more difficult to identification than the previous coronavirus variant. The first case of Omicron was detected in a janitor with the initial N, who works at the Wisma Atlet Kemayoran Hospital Jakarta. Some studies say that the spread of Omicron proved to be very fast. For example, in England, from 10 cases a day, this has reached 70,000 cases a day. This is much higher the peak of case in Indonesia in July at 50,000 cases a day. As for some symptoms of the virus, according to the head of the Medical Association of South Africa, the symptoms of Omicron are different from the Delta variant. So always take care of your health and all the news the web can cover on behalf of my team. I am recycling and I will see you on the another time in 10 minutes about Indonesia.